Hello everybody, it's Christina Victoria, and my motivation to join HTC program was this. I am currently starting an online business with my partner. That's why I was looking for an income skill that can provide for both my partner and I, and at the same time enables us to invest into our business and grow it faster. The difference to other programs that I've experienced is the high level of engagement and motivation inside of the community, as well as a unique combination of high income skill and personal transformation. What surprised me the most was the investment of time on the side of Sifu Danlock, as well as Kayvon, Desmond, and the rest of the team. I can literally feel how important it is for them to see everybody in the program succeed. Danlock has impacted me profoundly by giving me back a sense of trust and confidence into myself. I feel empowered. I'm finally back sitting in the driver's seat of my own life. And if you are currently in a place of skepticism, I've been there myself, but all my objections have been proven wrong. And I think that skepticism really is not about the program, but it's about yourself. It's an insidious way to self-sabotage and keep you in your place. If you really want to be free, you have to empty your cup, open your heart and mind, and join HTC family. See you there.